Mark, you want my advice on this?
Huh?
Buy a new car.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
New cars don't have this problem.
They have worse. Technology issues.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
You're doing a YouTube video? Maybe. Alright, so for all the viewers over there,
I'm struggling really
this
bad.
is what not to do.
Can't buy a BMW. Man, it's so cool.
Man.
It's just this panel, man. I'm gonna screw it.
This world is a joke. Nice cars break down fast.
You think this is nice?
Yeah, it's a nice piece of junk.
Dude, I wish I had my ratchet. I could move this panel.
It's a nice piece of junk. Hey guys, this is the Mr. M.G.T. So what you're looking at is an engine. And what we're gonna do, Mark, we're gonna let your AC out for YouTube videos.
Hey! Hey! Buy me free on. What? Is it not 8, 10?
So that one is stuck in, the old one.
Yeah.
This one will come out. Oh, I see that panel.
Oh, it's a 10. It's a 10.
So you gotta take that off and then that's it.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, one more inside.
Oh,
On this
top.
side. Much lower. It only means it's going to be harder to fit.
Oh yeah.
Need the engine a little higher. Can you jack it up a little? Now these on the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Ah, man.
Fuck that.
Extension.
You got it.
Oh, wow. Is it really a BMW if you don't have oil? No, that's not half.